Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Hungarian chicken paprikash. This is Saturday. I felt like eating some chicken. So instead of going for some Bangalore butter chicken or Bombay butter chicken, Punjab butter chicken, I said why not we try Hungarian butter chicken. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Vikas Kerni. I'm a full-time software professional. This channel aims to help professionals to learn cooking, share cooking tips. The aim of this software channel is to motivate professionals to cook their food themselves. So anybody can get benefited from this channel. So subscribe to this channel. So before we start cooking our chicken paprikash, what are the main ingredients of this chicken? So of course for chicken paprikash we need chicken and paprika, which is very important. Today is very cold here in Chicago. I went to a store to get this Hungarian sweet paprika, which is very important ingredient for this, and also I need paprika.
Besides paprika, we need onions. I took 3 medium onions for around 1 lab of chicken. So I'm using bear claw to cut the onion into smaller pieces. So you can look for some video how to cut onions using bear claw. One thing was like once I finished the Hungarian chicken paprikash, I was very surprised by the taste. It felt very rich, luxurious, and premium, and I was very pleasantly surprised by the taste. And I did some research whether all the Indian restaurants whether they are using paprika to create this premium taste. It turned out to be different way. So the thing is, why chicken paprika tasted so premium, so elegant? It seems the main ingredients which make Hungarian butter chicken or chicken paprika unique, elegant, rich, silky is combination of butter. I did use Amul butter for making this. So it's a combination of butter, Hungarian sweet paprika, and sour cream. You will see in the see that I have a sour cream in the bowl. So let me move some of the onion to next plate. So I can use this board to do more cutting. So this is the uh, 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 another onion that I am cutting. So as I talked about, like how what Indian restaurants do to make this food so premium. It seems they use makhan, white butter, fresh malai, cashew paste, and ghee. The one important thing you guys will learn little bit later. We have to make sure we don't burn the spice when we put the spice. This mistakes I have done in initial cooking, that when we put the masalas, we have to put the gas very on low so that we don't burn. So here I'm cutting capsicum. I got rid of the seeds waste. Make sure you make it thin. You would think you are wasting, but the thicker part, big parts, they are very difficult to cook. The one tip of cooking is everything you cut has to be same size. So now let's cut the cloves, which I have 4 cloves here. So you smash it, then you slice, and then you use both hand to chop it into smaller pieces. So I'm going to repeat this process for other 3 4 also. So, coming back to Indian restaurants, as I discussed how they make butter chicken so premium or food so chicken, that's another thing they make sure that you are doing slow cooking. Uh, that's the beauty of Hungarian chicken paprika is you are using very few ingredients, just a few masalas, paprika, salt, pepper. That's it. With few salts and slow cooking, and cooking is neither that bad. Like it took me around 1 hour to create that kind of rich, elegant, and premium chicken with curry. So here I'm cutting the cloves. You smash it, slice it, and then you dice it. Cut it into smaller pieces. So this dish was recommended to me by some of the colleagues that this is very famous dish of uh, from Hungary. Uh, as I talked about, make sure that we are doing slow cooking afterwards. Okay, time to cut the onion. I'll cut the onion into two pieces. Get rid of uh, the root, and I'm going to cut into slices and then make small dices. Okay, our preparation is done. Okay, now we start our cooking. I'm using a pan. So first I'm going to put butter. Of course, this is Hungarian butter chicken, so it will be using butter to cook it. I use Amul butter to, it's Indian brand butter. So let it heat for some time so that our butter melts. I'm turning on the exhaust fan. I don't want smoke inside my kitchen. Okay, so now I'm going to put the onion inside the pan, mix it well, and let it saute for some time. I'm making sure that onion and butter is mixing very well. So it's applied, butter is applied to all onion, and now I'm gonna heat it up till it become brown green. So it's time to put our spices. I'm putting Hungarian sweet paprika and regular paprika. That's also Hungarian hot paprika to balance each other. I put 2 tablespoons of Hungarian sweet paprika and only half spoon of Hungarian hot paprika. So I kept the gas at very low when I put these spices. We have to make sure that these spices don't burn. It's time to add our chicken. So I'm using chicken leg pieces with bones. So that is a normal kind of chicken you use to cook Hungarian chicken paprika. So I'm sure making sure that I this mix of onion and spices is applied to our chicken. So its chicken get marinated with these spices. It absorbs these spices. One cool thing is in making this dish, you don't have to marinate your chicken. A lot of dishes you have to marinate chicken one day before. And another thing, like if you have not marinated your chicken and still you want to eat some good chicken, this is a great dish to eat. So I'm adding all my other ingredients. I'm adding bell pepper, clover, onion to this mix, and making sure I mix it well, and so that whole taste of chicken uh, paprika and chicken paprika and onion butter mixes with other ingredient also. So after this, I'm going to let it cook. I covered it with a lid, kept it low, and let it. Yeah, I'm putting some black pepper on that one, and I did add some salt also. I'm gonna stir to make sure that black pepper is black pepper mixes very well. Now I'm going to add chicken broth. So it's a kind of a chicken soup which I got from the market. You can add water, but I have seen adding chicken broth to the European dishes. It creates a very great taste. Uh, it creates a very good depth into the overall structure of your curry. The it gives you your curry very dense. So highly recommended. If means there are you can find out how to make chicken broth or chicken stock yourself. So I'm going to put 3 cup of chicken broth. The chicken should be submerged in chicken broth, like only top layer should be visible. It should be very submerged or covered with chicken broth. So I think all our stuff is now ready. Now we have to let it simmer for some times. Let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. I put a timer on my iPhone, and once the timer was ready, uh, we have to do our finishing touch. So here I took the sour cream and added a one spoon of all-purpose flour, and then I put little bit sauce inside my thing. I'm making sure that sour mixes very well, so you guys can see what a nice color is coming through our final, it's the last fine 5 minutes last leg of the chicken. So I'm making sure that there are no humps, no blob, that the cheese, sour cream we put with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour mixes well. So guys, you can see how it's looking. The color is looking great now. So here is our final dish. This is how it looks like. It looks amazing. So I cut some salad with rice. I'm going to eat my Hungarian butter chicken, and it tasted amazing. So thanks for watching this video. Like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. I will be preparing lot more dishes, giving lot more tips. So join my journey. Thank you very much, friends.